Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to floss your teeth properly. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of flossing your teeth properly so that you can actually have nice and clean teeth. It's gonna be easy for you to remove the plaque completely when you use this method, so no plaque will be stuck in between your teeth, which will lead to fewer cavities and fewer gums that are bleeding and so forth. All right, let's get right into the video. All that you really need for this is some floss. I have some floss right here. You're gonna pull out a nice long string of floss, okay? Now, floss is relatively inexpensive, so it's better to have a little bit extra and sort of be generous with it than to have too little and have to use twice as much of the small amount. It's better to just get one amount of the bigger piece because it's gonna usually result in you using less floss. Now, what you wanna do is you wanna get this floss and you need to have a good grip of it. What I like to do is I like to just wrap it around my finger on either side, my index finger, just like that. And as you can see right here, I have a really solid grip of it because it's gonna be hard to get it between some of your teeth, especially if your teeth are really close together, sort of like mine are. It's gonna, my teeth are pretty close together. I have braces for many, many years. So they're nice and tight together, and it's gonna be difficult to get between them. So I'm gonna show you the method with my just right here in the middle of my front two teeth, and then I'm going to show you how to work your way across your mouth. So what you want to do is take the floss, I'm going to explain it first. Take the floss, shove it between your teeth, and then what you want to do is go like sort of like a mini circle. So you're going to go on the side and on the side, and you're going to do like a mini circle like that in the little area between your gums and your teeth, okay? So basically, sorry about that, I just have an itch in my eye that I have to scratch, and I have very few free fingers. All right, so we're going to shove it between my front two teeth right here, okay? It's between the two teeth all the way up to the gums, and then you're going to do a little circle, just like that. Bring it down. And what that does is that not only loosens up the plaque right in the middle, but it loosens up the plaque that's stuck on either side of the teeth between that gap. And then at the end, you can rinse out that plaque. Your plaque is still gonna be there, but it's gonna be nice and loose. So when you brush your teeth or rinse your mouth, it's gonna be gone. So that's the method that you're going to use. Now, the actual method for working your way across the mouth that I use is I start at one end. I do my top row first. I'll start at one end and just work my way across. This way you don't miss any teeth. Some people start in the middle, go to one side and the other side, but then sometimes they miss a tooth because it's a little bit confusing. So we're going to start our way over here at the back. Now, when you go to the back, you really got to get your fingers back in your mouth there. So make sure your hands are clean. And I'm just going to try and talk very little while I do this to show you how it's done, all right? Also, give your fingers a break every once in a while, because if you leave it wrapped around your fingers for too long, they're going to start getting purple like that because they're losing blood flow. So just give your fingers a quick break and then go back at it. Okay, you don't want to have fingers that are numb or anything like that. All right, let's do this. All the way to the back. Okay. There we go. Work your way up and a circle. Keep working your way across the mouth. Okay. Now, when you get to these front teeth over here, what you're gonna wanna do is switch. So I was like this, now I'm switching like this, okay? Just like that. Okay? Almost done, the top row. Got to get all the way at the back there. Some teeth are harder than others. And you'll see, I still have a little bit of blood that from my gums, and I floss all the time. So, I mean, if you have a little bit of blood, I would say it's kind of normal. I'm not a dentist, I'm not a dental hygienist, but I've spoken to many, and having a little bit of blood is somewhat normal, even if you floss regularly, but you want to work your way. If you have a lot of blood, a lot of bleeding when you are flossing, then that's you really got to floss more often. But you can say I still have a little bit of blood. All right, let's continue. We're almost on the top row. Okay. That one's always difficult to do. All right, now, once you're done your top row, you're gonna do your bottom row. But what I like to do before I do my bottom row is I like to just rinse my mouth. So, get some water, rinse your mouth. It's gonna get rid of any blood in there. And also any plaque that you got rid of from the top row is not gonna fall to the bottom row, and like you're not gonna squish it in between your teeth down there. You'll still get it out with flossing, but even if you do get plaque down there, but it's just beneficial to sort of clean your mouth in between. Now, It took a little bit longer than usual. Sorry, my fingers are really losing circulation there. It took a little bit longer than usual because I was explaining everything. However, on a regular basis, it really takes like no time to floss. Like honestly, I probably spend less than 30 seconds a day flossing once a day. And it really does a good job at cleaning your teeth. It prevents cavities, it prevents sore gums, inflamed gums. It's really something beneficial to do that not enough people do. And I think it's partially because we're not in the habit and partially because we don't know how to do it properly. So I showed you my method of going up and then doing a little circle. Once again, go up, a little circle and bring it out. And that's gonna get rid of all the plaque. Your teeth are gonna feel so much better. Your gums are gonna feel so much better. And that's it. Really hope that you've enjoyed this video tutorial on me showing you how to floss your teeth properly. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.